On this slide, we are going to see overview of chromatographic techniques, the separation tools which are used over the centuries, the initial tools which were used to separate different components, and this tool was a separating funnel, which we see here in this particular slide. Separating funnels were used to separate compounds based on their solubility into different immiscible solvents. This type of technique, separation tools, were used in over many centuries and were done in a very crude fashion. Further, early 1900, Russian botanist Mikhail Twist invented column chromatography in order to separate various plant pigments. In this particular technique, as we see here, a glass column is packed with the particles, which is acting as a stationary phase, and petroleum ether was flown through this liquid, through this column. Petroleum liquid acts here as a mobile phase. So again, two phases are used. As we saw in the upper picture, there were two immiscible liquids. Here, there was a solid and a liquid phase. Solid phase was acting as a stationary phase, and liquid phase was acting as a mobile phase. And what was done by Mikhail Twist was separation of different plant pigments. If you see on the right hand side that these pigments are shown to be separated using chromatography. This is how chromatogram looks like. The outcome of chromatographic separation is presented on the right hand side. This was achieved by the automation provided by Jim Waters, who founded Waters Corporation and started to sell high performance liquid chromatography instruments. This promoted the use of high performance liquid chromatography in practical analysis areas. Chroma means color, graphene means right. Chromatograph is a collection of equipment, and chromatogram is an output chart obtained from the analysis.